guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm doing a review and tutorial for you of Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on the Go kit. So as you probably know, Charlotte Tilbury products are now available at Ulta Beauty and on their website. So I checked out what they had and found this really cool kit. It's kind of similar to the one that I got from Sephora back in, I want to say, December. But this has some different stuff in it. So instead of just having lip products, this also has an eyeliner, a mascara, and a blush, and of course her famous Pillow Talk lipstick and lip liner. So first with the Pillow Talk eyeliner, it's a very pretty sort of reddish brown shade. Honestly, I don't like it on me that much. It's great on, I'm not wearing it right now. It's great on the top lash line, but I think it's just my skin color, my undertones. When I wear it in my waterline, it kind of makes my eyes look red and bloodshot, even when I've had enough sleep. But it's a really nice eyeliner. Like I said, I do like it for the top lashes. It's very long lasting, stays on through a golf game, stays all day. So I think it's definitely worth it. I really do like it. I'm just not a fan of it in the waterline for myself. Might look beautiful on you though, so give it a shot. Then we have the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. I love this mascara. It is so amazing. It's got a great brush, these little bristles. You just coat every single one of your lashes. And they fan the lashes, it curls it a little bit, it lengthens them, it does everything, this mascara. And it is waterproof. It is cry-proof. I tested it, don't ask. But this mascara is just as amazing as her famous lipstick. So this is one I would absolutely repurchase, the Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara. Then we have her Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. So essentially it is a cream blush. Nice applicator, very soft on the face. A really pretty blush. It's totally flattering. It blends in so smoothly. It's so good to the skin. It's the most natural flush I think I've ever gotten from a blush. And it's crazy comfortable and it lasts all day long. No need to reapply. It's an amazing blush. Then we have the Lip Cheap Resize Reshape Lip Liner in the shade, of course, Pillow Talk. And it's just incredible. It's Pillow Talk. It does reshape your lips if you need to go a little bigger or a little different shape. It's so natural, it's so beautiful. It's just a universally flattering shade. I love it, it's totally worth the price. And of course, what would a Charlotte Tilbury kit be without at least a mini Pillow Talk lipstick? There we have the beautiful Pillow Talk shade. It's a classic for a reason. Wearing it right now. It's just the most perfect nude lipstick. It's not too over the top, but it gives you that perfect amount of pigment for every day, for going out. It just works. This little kit retailed for, I want to say, about $52, but what you get from it is amazing. A little goes a long way with most of the products, so you'll have them for a while anyway. Plus, you can test out each little product and see if you like it without spending a ton of money on just one little product. So I am super thrilled with my purchase. I loved it so much. Now I have a tutorial for you using these products from Charlotte Tilbury. Here's my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on the Go kit tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to start with the Pillow Talk eyeliner. That sort of berry brown shade right there. Just start by tracing that on your top lash line. Sort of short, small strokes at first. Just using the edge of the eyeliner. And then wing it out just a little bit. Look at a little bit of precision. Just to build up a nice, fairly thick line. Really get that shade on the lash line. So just building the shade, building the shape. It's a very nice blendable eyeliner. Soft but not too soft, so you can really get the shape. And then take it into your waterline of your eye. It's long lasting, so it's not going to smudge or budge. Just keep tracing it along. Take a little on the lower lash line, just between the lashes. Nothing too heavy though. Then use the Push Up Lashes mascara and give yourself, I'd say several coats on the top lashes. This is a super amazing mascara. One side of the brush helps you load the lashes with mascara, and the other one really comes through and catches every little last lash. So it gives you the amazing lifting, volumizing, lengthening effects. Then put about a coat on your lower lashes. We want them defined, but not quite as defined as our upper lashes. No spidery lashes in this look. Grab yourself a concealer, just to clean up any mistakes, sort of prep the skin for our next steps. Just dot that along. Use your fingertip to blend. Get some seamless coverage in with the rest of your face makeup. And use a brush for the more tight spots around the nose, any precision work you gotta do. And just get everything nice and clean, ready for the next step. Then grab yourself a light brown contour shade and just work that between your cheekbone and your jawbone, tracing right along. Then blend it out with your fingertips. You don't want a harsh line, you just want some definition. So just wrapping that around under your cheekbone. And more blending. With a shimmery pearly highlighter, just dust that onto the tops of your cheekbones. Just for a nice shine, a nice glow. Nothing too crazy, but we want a bit of highlight. Then with the Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk, we're just going to dot that shade around the apple of the cheek and then blend it with our fingertips. It's a really pretty color. Blends easily, beautifully, seamlessly. Add a little more and blend again. Same thing on the other side, dots and blend. It really gives you a natural flush, but also a noticeable blush. It's really pretty. Then with the Lip Cheat Lip Liner, in of course the shade Pillow Talk, trace out the shape of your lips. You can resize them if you want to, do whatever works for you. Just go along your lip line. I apologize for my lips not being completely in the frame, especially the lower lip. I didn't look up apparently, but I fix it when I do the lipstick. So just keep tracing along till you get the shape and the line that you want. Finally, take that iconic Pillow Talk lipstick and fill in your lips. There we go, now we're in frame. Just a good coat, blending into the lip liner. And there we have our finished Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on the go kit makeup look. The Pillow Talk shades are so incredible, they're so beautiful. They can be used together, they can be used separately with other makeup. It's just a great line of makeup, and I can see myself using it for a long time, and I would highly recommend it to everyone else. And there you have my finished Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk on the go makeup tutorial. I'm not wearing that right now because I had to leave for a tea time to play golf right after I recorded that tutorial. But I can tell you that that makeup lasted the entire day. the whole time I was playing golf, so it can withstand the elements. Thank you for watching. Check out my blog for swatches and more details about the products. If you want more makeup fun in between my video and blog posts, check out my social media pages. They're in the description box. Stay tuned for more reviews and tutorials, and I will see you next time. Bye.